So here's a surprise. Living in, or was living in, my lavender bush. You see that right here? Oh, let's see, let me get my finger here. So right here, that was actually a sparrow's nest, and it's in my lavender bush. Let me back it out. So that's what it looks like. Yeah, pretty cool. Huge lavender bush. So that's probably about 6 feet wide. But even the sparrows are in there. And so here's some other ones. Other lavender bushes that I need to harvest. Like this one here makes lavender wands, and I'll have a video on that too. And